So we have a new camera mounted to the bike. The new Hero Session. It's not new, it's old, but this will be so it can see me while I'm riding. Let's see how it goes.
Don't leave me all alone. Just drop me off at home. I'll be fine.
When you put gas in your bike, always stand on your bike while you're doing it, because then that keeps the tank level and you'll get the most gas in your bike as possible. If you need to get up and stand and go inside and pay or something, that's fine, but once you actually do the deed, you want to be standing on it. Can you get the most gas? Let's see. Let's calculate this out real quick. I need my mileage. Let's see how many miles to the gallon we're getting. So you take the amount of miles you rode. For me it was 133.3, and then divide it by 3.4. It's the same result every time. I get 38 miles to the gallon on this bike. Every single time. That's the third test I've done. It's 38. This is actually a little bit better gas mileage than my GSX-R 600. Damn. Can't believe my mic wasn't plugged in. I knew something wasn't right. But as I was saying, I added the new GoPro Hero Session so you could get a little glimpse of me and I get a glimpse of the road. I might even do like a multiple perspective, like this, where you can see both at the same time. Just something small. The one, you know, I'd rather have the main one of the road, but having, you know, one while you see at the same time, like while I'm riding and talking and chatting, would be cool to have as well. I've only edited a video like that once or twice. It's kind of a nightmare, but just kind of switching between the two might be optimal. I mean, when it comes to audio, you can only really hear what I'm saying in my helmet. You can't really hear what is going to the GoPro Hero Session, obviously, because of its position, and it doesn't really have a mic attached. So, I mean, if there is a multiple view of me from the session looking up at me like this, then it's probably not going to be fully synced, but I'll do my best. I'm pretty good at what I do. Go for a ride, brother! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! No 38 miles to the gallon doing that. That's the thing with this bike, I've noticed. Like, I'm a rider to upgrade from a 600 and going up to 1,000. I mean, I rode it for a couple of years. I rode my 250 for literally like a month, upgraded straight to a 600 and rode that for a couple of years, and then, you know, stuff happens, and then you go to the leader bike, which I always wanted, especially this one, the K6 GSX-R 1000, and it's great. But the thing is once you like upgrade, you not only can you really not go back, but you can't get the most out of the street. It's nice to be in the street and it's great on the highways, but you can never get the most out of it here. I can't do it. Just wanted to test this. Oh yeah, I also got a phone mount on the gas tank because my steering damper is in the line of where a normal mount would be for a phone. So I installed a gas tank mount. It's not on right now, but it's alright, it helps. I mean, I don't really trust my phone on there. I've ridden out of town with it once and it kind of was scary. You need that not only need to put your phone on the actual mount, but you need like a little rubber vinyl tether to like kind of go attach underneath the mount that goes over the phone. Please don't stop, please don't stop, thank y'all. So yeah, once I get that, I did get a tether in, but it's a little too big. I emailed the guy, he sent me a refund like immediately. I'm like, wow. And I just need a new size. I need one a little smaller. But that's my test mount footage, guys. I just wanted to see how it looked while riding. I'll do some more. What happened to that car? That was like a brand new car parked like a month ago where that truck is. And it had a flat tire. It looked like brand new. I'm like, what the hell? They must have hit something. But brand new, you could tell. It's just like right off the lot. What the hell? That sucks. I don't know in that situation if you just get all new tires again or if you just replace that one tire. It was a pretty basic car, so I mean... Yeah, if I end up liking this view, we'll see once I go through editing and stuff. If I like this view, if I do, then I'll probably keep it around because, you know, why not? I already posted the camera to the bike. It's pretty solid. It's kind of dirty too. It's a dirty bitch. Bike's still warming up. Okay. What are you waiting for? My goodness, man. Driver sometimes. I wouldn't trust the acceleration on that thing either. Yeah, not in a rush anywhere. On a rush to nowhere good. Yeah, I got the new phone mount. I'll probably, in my next video, I'll have my phone posted on here once my rubber insert comes in offline. Yeah, I plan on getting new tires no more than like next week. No later than next week on this bike. Because it really needs them. Can't get the most out of this bike because of that, but been enjoying the ride so far. Owned it for about a month, I think, already. Just treated me pretty well. I had the oil changed and fluids checked out. My mechanic really likes this bike too. Always puts a smile on his face when I bring it in. Of course, who wouldn't for a K5, K6? Jigza 1000. Yeah, this is always busy. I get to chill, play some Overwatch, have some breakfast, motovlog, show off my new angles, hang out. I'm thinking of getting a crossbar that goes on the side of the bike, kind of like a frame slider, but I saw one on a bike yesterday on like a 06 750, and it looked pretty tight. Plus it could be something I could put my feet on, like, you know, just to stretch them out a little bit during like long rides, because my old 600 had little long sliders that I could just put my, you know, heels on real quick, just to like stretch. Not like a Harley where you literally stretch your feet out and you're like riding like that, but you know, just something that you can crutch on temporarily just to kind of get the blood flowing in your knees. But that's another project. I'm gonna have to install all that. I'd like to try and keep this bike stock as much as possible. I mean, I've got my GoPro app remote and another GoPro camera posted up on the bike itself, but you know, when it comes to like modified parts like exhaust, fixing up the mirrors, all that other stuff, like I'm gonna leave that because I want to try and keep this bike as bone stock as possible, even though the license plate cowl is gone and it was replaced with another bracket. It looks better that way, but at least I have the part. This thing is aftermarket, but I mean, the stock steering damper down there was taken out. Yeah, that's really not a big deal because these things are expensive anyways. Plus, it's nice to have a variable damping system for the steering. Oh yes, what a beautiful day. It's finally 60 degrees in the morning, not 77. It's been so hot up here in North Bay, California with all the fires and smoke going on. I've been smelling more like smoke. But everything's good, life's good, I'm happy. As long as I get my breakfast, and that's all I need. Thanks for watching, guys. Sloth Boss out.
GG!